One cold, beautiful morning, I woke up, inserted the key into my vehicle's ignition, and cranked the motor. To my shock, the dash lights were very faint, and needless to say, nothing happened. The engine didn't roll to life as it should. There and then, I knew I was dealing with a bad starter battery, but to be sure, I grabbed my multimeter and checked the voltage the battery was still capable of holding. I was shocked when it read less than 9 volts. Generally, with luck and several tries, about 11.8 volts will start a vehicle with great difficulty. However, when things get serious at 10.8 volts, getting the battery to turn over the engine is generally impossible. At less than this point, simply kiss starting the vehicle goodbye without any external help. So, how did I do it? As you must have suspected already, I had help from a jumper, and I'll link to it in the description below so you can take a look if you are interested. To my great shock, the vehicle started on the first crank without hesitation, which was more than I expected. A completely dead and near useless starter battery successfully, with the help of a jumper, was able to start this vehicle without any ado. Now, here's the thing. I've owned this portable jumper for more than 3 years running now. Though it has never for once disappointed me in this time, I never thought it important to give it the thorough review it deserves. However, with this new fit of it, the review will be coming live on the channel sooner than later. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. If you have a jumper already, consider subscribing to the channel if you liked this video and are looking to see more of my work here. If this video made sense to you, also consider giving it a thumbs up. Catch you on the next one.